and a little help from Savvy AI Studio, I can talk, I can move.
Have you ever wanted to create a 3D version of yourself? One that talks, moves, and stars in your videos like a Pixar character? Imagine turning just one photo into a digital twin that feels alive, even with no design skills. Well, guess what? You can. And I'm going to show you how, step by step. Hi, I'm Aura, and welcome to Savvy AI Studio. Today, you'll learn how to turn your own picture into a 3D talking avatar in just 5 beginner-friendly steps, all with your phone and free apps. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your avatar and scenes in ChatGPT. This is our creative command center. First, start with a clear, well-lit picture of yourself. Upload it to ChatGPT and type a detailed prompt like, turn me into a 3D Disney Pixar-style female avatar. Keep my skin tone and features. Give me a confident expression and a modern outfit. Once you have your main avatar, we'll create 4 different scenes to make the video dynamic. For each new scene, just describe the new location and outfit. After generating each of your 4 images, ask ChatGPT one more thing. Give me an image to video animation prompt to match this scene with smooth Pixar-style movement. Now you have all your images and all your animation prompts ready to go. Step 2. Animate your avatar using PixVerse. Now let's make the move. Open the free PixVerse app, tap Image to Video, upload your first avatar image, paste the animation prompt you just got from ChatGPT, and hit Generate. Once your video is ready, download it. Do this for all 4 scenes. Step 3. Add a realistic voice with Google AI Studio. Time to bring your avatar to life with a voice. Go to Google AI Studio, choose Generate Media, then Gemini Speech Generation. Now, this tool is incredibly powerful. If you want a deep dive into all its secret features, I have a full tutorial on it already. And in that video, I also give away my free Perfect AI Voice cheat sheet. I'll link that for you in the description. For today, just paste your script, select a voice like Zephyr for a clear, friendly sound, and hit Generate. Then download the voice file. Step 4, edit your video in CapCut. Let's assemble our movie. Open CapCut, tap New Project, and import all your animated clips from PixVerse. Arrange them on the timeline, trim them as needed, and export the final video. Step 5, lip sync your avatar using DreamFace. This is the final touch. To make your avatar talk, open DreamFace and select Video Lip Sync. Import your edited video from CapCut, then import your voiceover from Google AI Studio. Hit Generate, and boom, your avatar's lips will match the voice perfectly. And just like that, you've created a professional, animated 3D avatar of yourself. To test it out, I've written a short script for your new avatar to say. Let's see what it looks like.
Look at this. You actually did it. You brought me to life. Just a few minutes ago, I was only a still photograph. Now, thanks to your creativity and a little help from Savvy AI Studio, I can talk, I can move, and I can help you share your unique ideas with the world. This is just the beginning. Imagine the stories we can tell, the videos we can make, and the messages we can share, all without you ever needing to be on camera. You now have the power to create. So, what's our first project?
Now, maybe you noticed those watermarks in all of the videos. That's totally normal when using free tools. But what if I told you there's a way to remove that watermark completely for free without losing any quality? I've been testing a secret method, and I'll share it in a full tutorial if you want it. So go to the comments and type no watermark right now if you want me to make that video next. Also, if you'd love a full masterclass on writing perfect prompts, drop a comment that says prompt tutorial. I'll make it for you if enough people ask. Thanks for learning with me. You're doing amazing, and I can't wait to see what you create next.
Alright, before we wrap up, I wanted to add a special note for my amazing subscribers. For those of you who have been following Savvy AI Studio for a while, you probably know my real voice, and you've probably realized the voice you just heard for this entire tutorial wasn't mine. That was Aura. Her voice was created 100% with Google AI Studio using the exact steps we just went through. Isn't that incredible? If you want to master that too just like I did, don't forget to watch my dedicated Google AI voice tutorial, and be sure to grab the free cheat sheet I mentioned in that video. It just goes to show how powerful and realistic these free AI tools have become. So here's my question for you. Now that you know how, what's the first thing you would have your own AI avatar say? Let me know your creative ideas in the comments. Of course, don't forget to comment no watermark or prompt tutorial if you want to see those videos next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.